Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered why more people are investing in goat farming? Is it really profitable, or is it just another farming trend? The truth is, goat farming can be a rewarding business when it's managed properly. Goats require less space than cattle, reproduce quickly, and there's steady demand for goat meat, milk, breeding stock, and manure in many regions. In this video, I'll show you how to start a profitable goat farming business, even if you're a beginner. Be sure to watch until the end because I'll also share some common mistakes that can cost new farmers money. Let's get started. Step 1. Decide your farming goal. Before buying your first goat, decide what you want to produce. Are you raising goats for meat? For milk? For breeding? Or for a combination of these? Your goal determines the breed you choose, your feeding program, and your marketing strategy. Having a clear business plan from the beginning increases your chances of success. Step 2. Choose the right goat breed. Not all goats are the same. Some breeds grow quickly and are excellent for meat production, while others produce large amounts of milk. Choose breeds that perform well in your local climate and are known for good health and productivity. Whenever possible, buy healthy breeding stock from reputable farmers with good records. Avoid purchasing sick or underweight animals simply because they're cheaper. Step 3. Build proper housing. Goats need a clean, dry, and well-ventilated shelter. The housing should protect them from rain, excessive heat, predators, and disease. Provide enough space so the animals are not overcrowded. Good housing also makes feeding, cleaning, and health management much easier. Step 4. Feed your goats properly. Nutrition is one of the biggest factors affecting profitability. Goats mainly eat grasses, shrubs, leaves, and hay. Supplement their diet with concentrates, mineral licks, and plenty of clean drinking water, especially during dry seasons or for pregnant and lactating goats. Well-fed goats grow faster, produce healthier kids, and are more resistant to disease. Step 5. Manage breeding. Healthy breeding management is the foundation of a profitable herd. Select strong breeding males and females. Keep breeding records and avoid inbreeding. A healthy doe can produce kids regularly, helping your herd grow and increasing your income over time. Step 6. Prevent diseases. Disease prevention is much cheaper than treatment. Vaccinate your goats according to local veterinary recommendations. Control parasites through regular deworming. Keep housing clean and isolate sick animals immediately. Schedule routine health checks with a veterinarian whenever possible. Healthy goats mean lower losses and better profits. Step 7. Keep good records. Successful farmers don't rely on memory. Record expenses, feed costs, breeding dates, births, treatments, sales, and profits. Good records help you identify what's working and where improvements. Never start farming without knowing who will buy your goats. Potential customers include local butcheries, restaurants, livestock markets, breeding farmers, milk processors, individual consumers. You can also use social media to advertise your animals. The better your marketing, the faster you sell. Step 8. Manage your finances. Treat goat farming like a real business. Keep records of feed costs, veterinary expenses, purchases, sales, breeding performance. Tracking your expenses helps you identify where you're making or losing money. Common mistakes to avoid. Many beginners fail because they buy unhealthy goats, overcrowd their animals, ignore vaccinations, feed poor quality diets, have no marketing plan, fail to keep financial records. Avoid these mistakes, and your chances of success increase significantly. Final tips. Start small. Learn continuously. Reinvest your profits. Build a reputation for selling healthy, high-quality goats. With patience and proper management, goat farming can become a reliable source of income for many years. And so, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more farming and agribusiness tips every week. Leave a comment below and tell us where you're watching from and what type of farming you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.